Hi, and welcome back to the shop. Today, we have a very interesting project. A friend of mine asked me if I can build him a birdhouse that is also a housing for his DIY security system out of a cell phone. And all that we have to work with is this. So, let's try to do it. So, we'll do something like this. This is a pole from his deck, and the birdhouse will be mounted on it. So we're gonna do something like this. Like that. And the cell phone will be here. So let's mill some stock and begin the troubleshoot. Basically, we have everything here. It's going to be sides, the roof, and we're gonna do front and back later. So let's put this down to the measurement. We need two pieces at 20 centimeters. One at 10. And the roof, one has to be 31, the other one 32. The body. I didn't want to bore you with the milling process, but this took tremendous amount of effort to get to this stage with my tools, but we got it done. So let's glue up front and back. Yes. Nice squeeze out. Nice. Yes, that's the front and the back. These are the sides and the roof. I just need to cut the miters here. The second day, let's take this out of the clamps. Nice, very good. Now, let's see. Something like that. Trim. Yes. It has been a few days since I work on this project, so we're gonna continue today. We have time, so nice. That's nice and crisp. Nice. Let's screw that together. This thing is busting my ass, so we're gonna screw it. Originally I thought we're gonna hinge it, but that doesn't work, so we're just gonna screw it. Birdhouse coming along. Not bad. Made some progress from the last time. We got this. We got this. It's going to be like this. Now we need to drill out this. Oh, fuck. Oh. Now we need to drill a hole somewhere here. This is so if the angle is a little bit off, so we can adjust it. Yes. Actually, I didn't work on this project for over a month. I'm having some other stuff. So this is it. The cable goes through here. So we're almost ready to put it together. Let's see now. Quite nice. Now let's sand it and finish it. This one is at the angle. Nice.